This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start at the Ncbi homepage and immediately select the most relevant database. This narrows noise and speeds retrieval. Once you choose PubMed or nucleotide, enter concise keywords or gene symbols. Use quotes for exact phrases and Boolean operators like and, or, not to combine concepts. Make sure to sign into my Ncbi now so you can save searches and set alerts. This early choice shapes everything that follows, so pick the database that matches your data type. Once your initial query returns results, refine it using advanced search and field tags to target title, author, or me.sh terms. This reduces irrelevant hits. Combine tags with parentheses and Boolean operators to structure complex queries. Then apply side panel filters such as organism, article type, publication date, and free full text to focus on usable items. Make sure to sort by relevance or most recent depending on your goal. And Skim abstracts to verify fit before exporting or bookmarking records for later. You finish by exporting chosen records in your preferred format, CSV for spreadsheets, RIS for reference managers, or by saving citations to my Ncbi. Once done, set up an alert so future matches are emailed to you. If you get few or noisy results, troubleshoot by broadening filters, adding synonyms, or switching to me.sh terms. Sometimes removing restrictive date or article type filters helps. Finally, repeat the refined query and confirm the export or alert settings before closing the session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.